Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can check your video ranking on YouTube platform. For example, I want to check video ranking for this video and my YouTube channel name is Enable Website Design. Okay, for this video I want to check the ranking. Here you can go and type YouTube rank checker. You can find out different tools. So simply you can go here tubepilot.ai. This tool can easily check video ranking. Simply you can add your YouTube video URL and then it will automatically extract the video title. So this one is the exact video title, as you can see here, this one. Then this one is the keyword. So same, it has added this title as a keyword here. So for example, let me cut off this one in the end. And then here you can select the region. Okay, let me keep it as it is. But you can easily select any of the country from here. Then click on check ranking. Within few seconds you can easily get the result. Here you can see. So this video is ranked on the number 1 position. Now let's view YouTube. And I can copy this title, this one. Then add the title here. Now here you can see this video is ranked at the top of YouTube. So in this way you can easily track your videos by adding keywords and video links.